All right, so example 2, this time we have that y varies inversely as x. So we need to go back up here and see that when you have y varies inversely as x, that it's going to be y equals k in the numerator over x. And so that's how we begin this statement, y equals k over x. Then we have the statement that y is 2 when x is 100, so we put a 2 in for the y, and we put 100 in for the x. And then we solve it and multiply 100 times 2 and get 200 is equal to k. So again, this is called the constant of variation. So the constant of variation is 200 for this particular problem. So now we're going to take this and we're going to include it in our original equation and put the 200 in for the k and get this, that y is equal to 200 over x. And this is called the equation of variation. It includes the constant that we found. And sometimes that's all you're asked for is the equation of variation. So this could possibly be your final answer. However, on this one, we need to find y when x is 1,000. So we're going to come over here and in place of the x, put in 1,000 and then reduce this, and it reduces to 2/10, which finally reduces to 1/5. And so that would answer that final question for that. So problem 3, I'm going to let you try. Notice that it says the word directly, and that's going to make a difference. So go back, write the equation that's going to fit with this. So rather than y varies directly with x, it's going to say that a equals and then k times b to the third. So you're going to start it that way. So stop, try it, and pick back up. All right, so problem 4 is a word problem. And these are really, once you get used to them, these are fairly easy word problems. You're just going to really be looking for these words where it says varies, and it will either say directly or it'll say inversely. But this says that a weight of a load of bricks varies directly with the number of bricks in the load. So since it varies directly, then we're going to use the, well, y equals k times x. But we're going to use some of the words here. So we're going to do the weight, which might be a W for weight, varies directly with the number of bricks. So we might use an N. It's helpful if you use letters instead of X and Y, so letters that match what your noun is. So this is going to be that the weight, it varies directly. So since it's directly, it's K times, and the number of bricks. So I'm going to put an N right there. Then for my pink statement, I have a load of 500 bricks. So does that go for weight or go for, no, it goes for number. So, so 500 goes in for the N. And then the weight weighs 1,175 pounds. So put that in for my W. Now I need to figure out what K is. So I'm going to need to divide 1,175 divided by 500. So I got the fraction 47/20, and then I changed that to the decimal 2.35. So again, this is my constant of variation. So I'm going to come over and mix these together and get that W is equal to 2.35 times the number of bricks. So it looks like each brick weighs $2.35, 2.35 pounds. All right, so then my final question, what will the load of 1,200 bricks equal? So that is either W or is it N? It's an N, it's the number of bricks. So W is equal to 2.35 times 1,200, and we want to multiply that out. And again, you can use your calculator and get 2,820. And what unit am I using? Remember that the W is the number of pounds. You can tell somewhere in here, yeah, pounds. So this is pounds for our answer for that. All right, so now you try number 5, same situation. Notice that this time the ticket prices at a concert are, this time it's inversely proportional. So you want to use the inversely start to your problem. And then come back here and remember that y varies inversely looks like this, except you're going to need to replace your y and your x with situations from this, prices and distance. All right, so we'll pick up on the next video.